got there? Where did you find that? Hey. You want to play? Get ready. You have to really go after this one. Go get it. Good boy. Come on, bring it here. Good one. All right. You go play, all right? Gotta get back. What? What do you want? This is nuts. All right, buddy. You wanna go for the showstopper? You wanna try it? You wanna get it? Ready?
I am ready.
Okay. Go! Where did you learn how to do that, buddy? You are really starting to freak me out, boss dog.
Yes, Ethan, that's right. I'm your boss dog. I'm Bailey. Say it.
Boss dog? Are you the boss dog? No.
Yes, it's me, Ethan. It's me.
Bailey? Bailey. Boss dog.
Bailey, 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 Bailey.
Yeah.
So, in all my lives as a dog, here's what I've learned. Have fun, obviously. Whenever possible, find someone to save and save them. Lick the ones you love. Don't get all sad-faced about what happened and scrunchy-faced about what could. Just be here now. Be here now. That's a dog's purpose.